my goodness. Handyman, handyman. What a handyman. I'm trying to make it too stupid. He's trying to figure it out. Wow. Hello.
Do you like it?
Oh my. Yeah, okay, clean. I thought they shaved your fucking head.
No, would you?
Hello.
I want to sing my songs on the guitar.
Mama. Oh, I don't like that happened.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. There's a really pretty girl in my room, but I don't know if she's real. Damn, Shadi, what's your name? You fine as fuck.
What the fuck?
You like Filipino
Yo,
food?
who's this, guys? Who's this, guys?
Damn, Shadi, let me sing you a song real quick. She's my sunshine in the rain.
Sunshine.
Okay, Pip. What up, Pip?
Say hi, this is video.
Say hi to the camera.
No!
2024 resolution.
Get skinny.
What's your go-to Subway order?
Oh.
Woman, follow me. Okay, we got the socks. Okay. How we doing, babes?
Hi. I'm doing okay.
Yeah, she just changed up her whole personality for the camera.
Yes, sir. Hollywood.
Weed.
Where?
Get him. Get the whale.
Saan yung whale?
Police. Where's the police?
Get out of the way for the ambulance. Get out of the way for the ambulance.
How do I look?
Let's see, guys.
Gorgeous, fucking beautiful.
Hello?
My beautiful lady.
Sorry.
Look, where are we?
Vintage and makers.
Why you freeze up for the camera? Switching up your whole damn mood.
What?
Man, fuck that shit up. Tell them what you got.
Chicken waffle.
Okay. They fucked up my order, but I don't give a fuck. I'm still gonna eat that shit. Oh, collard greens. Excuse me, ma'am? Ma'am. Okay. Alright, play that shit, John Mayer. Okay, John Mayer. Oh, shit, that shit zoomed in. Turn the light on. Turn the damn light on. The missus wants McDonald's, so we on a mission. When the clock strikes, time to head for golden light. Why won't you let me? What, you don't do 10 or 20 pieces anymore? Can I do a 10-piece combo? Space for you and me, right where you left it. And just maybe drink. Acquired. Mackin's. Acquired. Time to head for golden light. Woman. I have your McDonald's, woman.
Oh my god. What time is it?
You wanted this.
What
the fuck did you say? Just fucking that shit up. Get a shot of us eating these.